You want to shed your excess weight and burn the extra belly fat? Do you feel embarrassed for your body shape and size? Have you been trying to find a program that will help you get through this? If you have any of the above, then you can finally breathe, because you happen to be in the right place. Make sure to watch this review video till the end. But before we continue, feel free to click the link given below. And of course subscribe my channel to stay connected. Weight loss happens to be one difficult task. Mainly, when you have a busy schedule and you have less time for yourself. But, did you know you can get your body in shape and get to lose the excess weight? Imagine achieving the perfect figure through an all-natural method. How is it possible? It is through finding the best and genuine program that will help lose extra pounds within the shortest time possible. Literally, it is all about Detoxil. So, what is Detoxil Burn? Detoxil Burn is an effective and efficient weight loss program that helps you to burn excess fat in your body in the shortest time possible. Basically, it is a supplement that is used for weight loss. It works by increasing your metabolism rate and decreases the weight of your body. It ensures that your metabolism performs in such a way that it works for you without any side effects. The outcome is, it increases the energy level in the body. We can say that it is an innovative program that will help your weight loss and weight gain. It will help you eradicate the excess weight in your body by burning fat, thus giving you a fine figure and shape. It is an all-natural program. By promoting ketosis in your body, you will see fast results, from weight loss to clarity of mind, resulting in an increase of energy levels. Detoxil Burn is a supplement that is rich in Omega-7-This, very effective when it comes to boosting your body health. This will help you burn fat and achieve the body that you always desire for. How does it work? This is one very unique weight loss program that you will come across. Mainly, because it induces fast ketosis in your body, which initiates effective fat burning. Sometimes, we happen to get products through reviews and we later get discouraged when it comes to using them. With this program, you are fully covered as it is very simple to handle. Thus, you should have no worries when buying it. It aims at burning fat and controlling your appetite. Basically, as you boost your ketosis, you will be able to control your appetite and stop cravings. Even more, it also helps to maintain cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Also, it regulates the immune system in the best way possible. When your body has a healthy metabolic system, it speeds up the utilization of fats in the body. This leads to a healthier weight loss. What will you get from Detoxil Burn? Once you opt for this program, there are a number of things that you will get from it. Mainly, it will help increase your metabolism rate and you will get to increase your energy levels, achieving nothing but the best lifestyle for you. Here are a number of benefits that this program offers. The supplements will help you with handling wrinkles, acne, fine lines, scars, and other skin conditions. The supplements will help you to stay energetic. This will always keep you healthy. Through this regime, you will learn the errors that many nutritionists and doctors, as well as patients, make as they handle the weight loss. It will help you remove the things that stand on your way or prevent your body from losing weight. Detoxil Burn will provide you with suggestions on how you can activate your fat cells for providing energy. This will consume stored fat. The product will help you achieve the body figure and shape that you desire. Money-back guarantee. This program is equipped with a 60-day money-back guarantee that further boosts its authenticity. If it happens that you don't enjoy the benefits of this program, you got 2 good months of free trial and you can claim your money back. So, check out the link given below the video and grab the opportunity as soon as possible.